Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can set up Coinbase Wallet on your device. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, in order to set up your Coinbase account, you'll need to open up your web browser. And then on the search box, you'll need to type in www.coinbase.com. So you'll need to download the web version of Coinbase and you'll be directed to this kind of interface once you type in the link. Now what you need to do is, once you're on the official site, right on top you can see there is an option as download Coinbase Wallet. You need to click on it. This will redirect to the Chrome web store, and on this interface you need to click on the option that is add to Chrome right over here. It's added. This will automatically redirect to this kind of interface, and then you'll be directed to the sign up or login interface. So if you already have an account on Coinbase Wallet, then you need to click on I already have a wallet, and if you're new to Coinbase Wallet, then you need to click on create new wallet. Getting started with the sign up process, first thing you need to do is, so you need to create a username and then tap on submit once you're done, and then on the second step you have backup your wallet. So right in between you'll be able to see a list of phrases. So what you need to do is you need to copy this. I recommend you to take a note of this phrase as this is very essential and important. So you need to click on copy to clipboard as well, and at the same time you need to copy to clipboard, and then you need to mark on the little box icon in the left hand side and then click on continue to proceed on. As already mentioned, make sure to take a note of your phrases. Once you're done rearranging the phrases, tap on submit. If you have provided wrong information, then you'll not be able to proceed on. So you need to click on submit. On the fourth step, you need to create a password for your Coinbase wallet. Before you create a password, make sure to go to the statement right on top, and for the confirmation, once again you need to retype in and then mark on the little box icon located in the left hand side corner, and you need to click on submit. After that, you're done with the enrollment thing and you've successfully set up your Coinbase wallet account. So that is how you can set up or create a Coinbase wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.